What is it?
Hey Vera, what is that? Whoa, what is that?
Look at Daddy and say cheese.
Oh my gosh, it looks heavy. What is it? I think I see somebody's face on it.
Who is that? What is that?
She wants to look at the face.
It's a Dora three-wheeled scooter. Look.
Oh, it's a three-wheeler.
Oh my gosh, it's a scooter with Dora on it. What do you say?
I'm gonna open it.
Okay. Awesome. Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.